Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, you can see like a kind of a different lighting setup that I'm playing around with. Man, it puts a heck of a white light out there, huh? But as you can see by the table, we got a big box from Gerber, and I wonder what we're going to take a look at today. So stay tuned after I roll that intro, and I'm going to talk about everything that came in that box. Alright, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, let's get a couple quick housekeeping things out of the way. Number one, if you like what you're about to see here today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. It's going to show a lot of love and support for the channel, and that's always very appreciated. Now, number two, if you are a brand new viewer to the channel, I want to say thank you so much for finding this video. I know this one's been out for a while, and there's lots of other videos out there on it. I'm very, very flattered that you chose this one. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, take a look right down here. Little channel watermark's going to be popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. Should bring you right to subscribe. Here's why you want to do it really early. I attribute this channel kind of like a burning clown car. You're never ever sure what you're going to see, but it's going to be really amusing and highly entertaining. Alright guys, as you saw by that opening and everything else, today we're going to take a look at the Gerber Fastball. And there it is in all of its glory. Now, like I said, I know this one's been out for a little while, and it took me a little bit to pull the trigger and bring one here to the channel. But I'm really happy that I did because I have not been disappointed by this blade whatsoever. I love the coloration on it, I love how it fits in the hand, I love how it rockets open, and especially love that it's made in Portland, Oregon. Now, for all of those of you who are familiar, that's California telling you this could cause cancer. But I do like that they're sending it in different boxes now. Hopefully you can see that with the little topo map on the inside. And I'm not sure if they actually wrote anything on this one. Yep, they did. Couldn't remember. Hopefully you can say that. Unstoppable is the promise to keep going. This one came attached to that. So, you know, I really like how Gerber's doing something different with its packaging other than just a really simple box or just a blister you got to cut its way out of. Now, what I thought was neat is I know there's a lot of, wow, that light's really bright, but I know that there's 4 different options for this blade. And the only difference is basically the color of your scale, okay? It comes in black, urban gray, or flat, excuse me, there's only 3, or flat sage. Wow, 4. Someone needs help with numbers today. I got mine with a flat sage. I really like that look. I especially love it when you combine it with, you know, a lantern that you put on there, a small little bead. Just makes it stick out a little bit more. Now, it's got an overall length of 7.1 inches. The blade is 3.0 and closed, it's 4.1. Now, it feels a little heavier in your pocket than it really is. It comes in at 2.79 ounces, so it's still pretty lightweight. Now, I'm not sure if you can see it too well. It does have, you know, the plain edge with the flat grind. It's done in the Warncliffe style. Stonewash finish, which I really, truly love. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. And the blade steel is CPM S30V. They really seriously upped the blade steel on a great little, you know, just folding pocket knife. Now, it does have the Boss Tech, which basically means balls of stainless steel. It just rockets right open. I really love the Boss Tech from Gerber. It is just, it's almost flawless to me, right next to the IKBS that CRKT uses. Now, it does have a stainless steel frame with aluminum scales. And that's where I said you can make that choice of what color do you want. As you saw, it does have a liner lock. Now, this is kind of neat. Okay, it's got a 3-position pocket clip. So you can carry it left hand, right hand, tip up, tip down, whatever style you want. As you can see here, you've got your lanyard hole. And yes, this one is made in Portland, Oregon, right here in the USA, about, I don't know, 4 or 5 hour trip from where I'm currently staying. Now let's have some of the fun that we usually do. Okay, so hold on a sec. That should work. We need that. We need that. Okay, simple paracord like we always do. Just simple pull test. Not too bad, didn't pop, but still. Alright, a little bit of a slice test. Right through it, no problem. Alright. Heavy duty stock paper like we usually do. Yeah, see? Made that curly cue that I like to try to do. And as far as I can see, really didn't pick up anything on the paper, so that's kind of cool. And our friend Mr. Ratchet Strap coming to the end of his life. So let's see what it can do. Right through it, no problem. Okay, now I found it in 3 different areas. And these are the areas I usually seem to go to on all my videos. Found it on Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. And there's not that much difference in the price, which is kind of staggering to me. On Amazon, it's $97.99. Gerber, it's $100, and Blade HQ, it's $99.99. The only difference is if you want the black scales, I think it's going to run you $5 more on each site. Now, I found it rated over on Blade HQ. It's been reviewed 9 times for a 4 out of 5 star rating. Over on Gerber, it got 2.9 out of 5 with 8 reviews. And over on Amazon, it's 3.6 out of 5 with 28 reviews. One of the most common things that people were complaining about is the liner lock really wasn't disengaging or engaging, and that the Boss Tech wasn't working. So I have none of those problems with my blade. I absolutely love this thing. I seriously do. But we're at that fun part of the video where you guys know I want to know questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. I'd love to know, do you own a fastball? Have you used one? I mean, I know they've been out there for a while now, and I just finally got one. So I know I'm really, really behind on the 8-ball on this one. This one has become my current choice for my everyday carry blade. I love it. I think it's one of the best that Gerber has put out in a very, very long time for a folding blade. But I also want to know, like we usually do here on the channel, do you think it's nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I really want to know. Because like I said, I know that there's a lot of hatred for Gerber out there, but I really truly think they got this one right. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much once again for viewing this video. Like I said in the beginning, there's lots of options out there, and I'm very, very flattered you chose this video. We're growing, and I love having you guys come in for the first time because it just makes me feel we're reaching people out there, you know, and just having a bunch of fun here on the channel. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my first question is why? You know, what's holding you up? What could I do to earn your subscription? And secondly, look right down there. That's right, right down here. You're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, if you would like to, please go ahead and destroy that bell icon that is right next to, you know, subscribe. What it's going to do is notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, you know it, 2 are going to be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys, my quick tabletop look at the Gerber Fastball. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.